What if I told you the salary employees receive is not the real cost of hiring them?
A £9,000 salary might actually cost a company over £14,000. In this video, you'll discover how payroll actually works inside accounting, and why accountants record wages in the journal before anything else. Let's break down payroll accounting step by step. For most businesses, wages are one of the biggest expenses.
But wages are not just a single payment.
They are made up of several different components. It all begins with gross wages. Gross wages are the total earnings before deductions. Then income tax is deducted. This money doesn't belong to the business.
It must be passed to the tax authority. Next comes national insurance.
Part of it comes from the employee, and part of it is paid by the employer. Pension contributions help employees save for retirement. Employees contribute part of their salary, and employers add extra contributions. After all deductions, we get net wages. This is the amount employees actually receive. But the real cost to the business is much higher.
Gross wages plus employer costs create total wage expense. Because payroll contains many parts, it cannot be recorded in just one account. So accountants record payroll in the journal first. This allows every part of payroll to be tracked clearly. To organize payroll, accountants use a wages control account. This account temporarily collects all payroll entries.
First, we record the full payroll expense. This shows the total cost of wages.
Next, we pay employees their net wages. This records the actual payment.
But the business still owes taxes. Income tax and national insurance create a liability. This total must be paid to the tax authority. This transfers the liability. Pension contributions also create a liability. This must be paid to the pension provider. And this records the pension obligation.
Now, every payroll amount has been allocated.
When debits equal credits, the journal balances. This system keeps payroll accounting accurate. It also helps auditors understand the payroll flow and ensures bookkeepers record everything correctly.
From employees to bank payments to tax authorities and retirement funds. Now you understand how payroll really works.
And why wages are recorded in the journal first.
Gross wages, deductions, liabilities, and journal entries.
Understanding payroll is essential for accountants and business owners.
In future videos, we'll explore more accounting concepts.
Hit the like button, share it with someone learning accounting, and subscribe for more finance lessons. Don't forget to turn on notifications.